Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this PoolRX. It eliminates all algae, reduces chlorine demand, it simplifies pool care. It is for pools from 7.5 thousand gallons to 20,000 gallons of water. Alright, so we got our PoolRX. So this is a solution for every pool. It's ideal for chlorine, UV, ozone, and salt systems. It eliminates and prevents chlorine consuming algae for up to 6 months. It gives you crystal clear water with less chlorine demand. It is amazing. They've offered in two different. You've got for this one right here, which is 7,000 up to 20,000 gallons. And then they have the RX Plus, which is 20,000 plus gallons for bigger pools. So what you want to do is you want to take this unit, put it in your filter system. It is NSF 50 certified, so this is a great thing to have for all pools to make sure your pools do not turn green. So what we're going to do is take this out of the box and put it in our filter. We would just need it to put it in this front part of the filter. So it'll run through your filter system, giving you clean, crystal clear water. So you'll just unloosen this, depending on what filter system you have. This is the Intex, so it doesn't matter what side you put it on, it does the same thing. This is certified to work for up to 6 months. They do offer the Plus, which is this one right here, which is the 7.5 to 20,000 gallons. They've got the black unit, which is 20 to 30,000 gallons. Then they have a booster from 7.5 thousand to 20,000. So in between the usage, if you want to go ahead and use that, actually it is recommended for pools that are up to 40,000 up to 50,000. Now if you go past 50,000, you might need double of them. So you'll just turn it on your filtration system like normal. And it did take me about a day to actually see the difference. My pool is already clear, but you can see a little bit of the Algaecide on the bottom. My filter is trying to clean it out with my vacuum. So I'm going to let it run overnight, and I'm going to come back the next day, and I want to see how crystal clear this works. It is basically kills the algae in your pool, so you don't have to use a lot of chlorine. Although I still use the 3-inch chlorine tablets that float on top of my pool, as well as an ionizer. You can see my chlorine floater right there, the little frog. So you can see my pool is already clean, but to kill all this algae in the bottom of the pool, I'm going to come back with it already cleaned. Alright, it has been 24 hours since I had put this PoolRX in my pool. It has been vacuumed. I vacuum a very lot here in Arizona, especially when we're in the monsoon season. We get a lot of dirt that gets swift around the pool, especially with algae and everything. So I've let it set overnight. You can see all the algae from the bottom of the pool is completely cleaned. There is a couple little squares in the middle of the pool. It's because the liner had a little cut in it when I purchased it. So I went and got a patch kit, and it's all patched up, but everything on the bottom, all the algae has subsided. I would definitely recommend this PoolRX, especially if you don't want to use a lot of chlorine and have your pool all chlorinated. Even though I do still use chlorine tablets, they are the 3-inch tablets that I set in a floater on top of the pool, and I do have an ionizer. This PoolRX makes cleaning your pool a lot easier. So if you're looking for a nice pool cleaner that will keep your water crystal clear, I would definitely recommend this PoolRX.